So here's how to fix Roblox no sound driver error on Windows 11. First, what you can do is go to the sound settings by clicking the Windows Start button and then go to settings and then go to system and then sound. And in here, you want to make sure that your output device is selected properly. So make sure it's your headset or whatever you're using. And then we can simply click on the device like this to see the settings. And in here, you want to make sure that the volume is not set to 0. So it got to be above 0 at least. Then you can simply press test to hear a sound, which indicates that your speakers are working fine. Next, you want to make sure that you have the latest drivers for your audio device, which you can look up on Google. For example, usually the audio uses Realtek. So it depends on your motherboard model. You can open the browser and then search for your motherboard model. For example, mine is MSI 360 Gaming. And then followed by driver or drivers. And you can click in here, the first link, and you will see a drivers and downloads. You can click on the drivers tab, and then you should find different drivers. For example, the audio here, you will need to install the latest version for your specific motherboard. Then you can simply close this and restart your computer. Now, if this still does not work, you can simply go to the settings and then search for troubleshooters. Click on troubleshoot other problems. And then under audio here, click run. Then wait for it to run the troubleshooter. Now, once this loads up, you want to click yes in here. And then wait for it to run the troubleshooter and detect any issues if it finds one. And then it will prompt you to fix the issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.